County, northwestern Greene County, Montgomery County, southern Miami County, until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gratis, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Troy, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, Eaton, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, West Milton, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, and West Carrollton. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 14 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 76. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin and northeastern Pickaway counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central Ohio.